I would like to share with you about the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that, as you can see in this figure, in a right triangle, the square of A plus the square of B is equal to the square of C. Here, side A is the base of the triangle, side B is the height, and side C is the hypotenuse, or the longer side of the triangle. However, you need to remember that this theorem is only valid in right triangles. A right triangle is a triangle which one of its angles is a right angle, or 90 degrees. The question is, how do we prove this theorem? It is believed that the Pythagorean theorem was invented by Pythagoras, the Greek mathematician around 2600 years ago. However, other historical sources suggested that actually this theorem has an Egyptian origin from a much older era. It was suggested that the theorem was invented by the Egyptians when they built the pyramids around 5000 years ago. You can get our books at Amazon for less than $9. You can also donate through Patreon and PayPal. In order to prove the Pythagorean theorem, we need to use the proof of area of square and the area of triangle and the distributive property in addition and multiplication. We have provided the proofs in our previous videos. Please find the links in the monitor to access the video. First of all, let us focus on this right triangle shown in this figure. Here, side A is the height of the triangle, side B is the base, and side C is the hypotenuse. Next, let us put a square on the top of side C, as shown in this figure. Next, let us put the same triangles around the square. Please refer to the figure for your better understanding. Now, we get a bigger square. As you can understand from the picture, the bigger square consists of 4 equal triangles and 1 smaller square. The length of this bigger square is A plus B. There are 2 ways to determine the area of the bigger square. The first one is by using the formula of the area of a square. That gives us equation 1. That is A plus B times A plus B. The other way to determine the area of the bigger square is by adding the total area of the 4 triangles and the area of the smaller square. This gives us equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we get equation 3, as shown in this figure. Next, let us focus on the right hand of the equation. By applying the formula of the area of triangle and the area of square, we get equation 4. Next, let us focus on the left hand of the equation. By applying the distributive property, we get equation 5. Lastly, by simplifying equation 5, we get equation 6. Herewith, the Pythagorean theorem has been proven. You can donate through Patreon and PayPal. You can get our books at Amazon for less than $9. Our books are available in electronics and printings.